Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mr. Saucedo's YouTube videos. Today, we're going to be talking about our Google Classroom teacher tip number two, and it's something that can be used anywhere in Google Classroom. But the last time we were focusing on the sections tab where you can put important information. Okay, so here's the next little tip, and it might seem kind of weird, but it actually really helps and makes things look a little bit more organized when you're looking at a full Google Classroom with a lot of assignments. You can use emojis to emphasize things, but more importantly, to point out something that's important. So I'll show you this with just the sections tab first. And then our next tip, I'll show you how to do it with topics. So you might think I don't have emojis because I'm using my Google Chrome browser. You can literally just Google search emoji keyboard on Chrome, and there is an extension called Emoji Keyboard, Emojis for Chrome, and it gives you a little icon that looks like this heart, and if you enable it, it'll give you access to all of the emojis that you most likely have on your phone. So, what I suggest is doing something like this. So, let's say that we want them to really focus on the fact that class is meeting on at these particular times. So, I'm going to take a there's a vampire. I'm going to take an object like a little pin, and I'm going to place that right next to it. And then you know what? I'll do the same thing here next to the Wednesday tab. And then for email, for the contact here, I'm going to instead decide to use something like, let's see, what would be a good one for email? Oh, here we go. We can do just like a envelope or something like that. And so what you'll see is that now, if I put a little space here to maybe make it a little easier to read, we've got something that looks more like this. And so when I click save, now we've got a section bar here that stands out a little bit more. And notice that it also places it here at the top of the class. It does. Not only that, but if you look at your class itself, you've got a lot more stuff here that makes your page stand out as opposed to other teachers also stand out. All right. So that's it for our second tip. I'll show you how to use topics tomorrow. And yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know.